Hi guys, welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Recently I made a rainbow dashboard and I was so impressed with the result that today I wanna do another one, bigger one, using even more different shades of colors. If you haven't seen the video of this beauty yet, please check the link above. And now let's get started. I prepared a huge number of different colors, all by Amsterdam Acrylics, and I'm working on 24 by 16 inches canvas. The base color is titanium white, and I use deep gold to make the shape of the flow. There will be 3 layers of colors. The first color is red violet, primary magenta, carmine, pearl red, and this is gold yellow a little bit mixed with orange, permanent green deep mixed with titanium white, oops, too much, phthalo green mixed with titanium white, greenish blue, phthalo blue mixed with titanium white a little bit, blue violet with titanium white, and now I will repeat the same colors in the same order till the end of the flow. This is the first darkest layer of the colors. Next one will be lighter. Let's start with the red violet light. I want to add at the beginning a little bit violet. It is a very interesting color. I get it from red violet light and turquoise. Next color is red purple, red medium, vermilion, azu yellow deep, permanent green light, emerald green, turquoise blue, brilliant blue, and repeating the colors of the second layer till the end of the flow. The third lightest layer is coming, and this is quinacridone rose light, red purple mixed with titanium white, Venetian rose, gold yellow mixed with orange, azu yellow light, brilliant green, turquoise green, brilliant blue mixed with titanium white, sky blue, ultramarine violet mixed with titanium white, and repeating the third layer. I want to add more deep gold to make my flow shimmer. And more base color next to my flow to help it moving better. I'm touching the paint and let's blow it out. Well, what can I say? It's just an amazing gradient of colors. I love it. Let's work with the details. First, I want to make my flow wider. This part of gradient is definitely my favorite one. I think I will reuse the combination of blue, violet and pink in some other paintings. And I'm not sure about the beginning of the flow. I think I need to do it more thin. I add a base color, as you see. And now the embellishments, of course. I want to highlight the center of the floor to join it all together. A little bit fixing the beginning of the flow, and it's all done. Let's jump to the next part. My rainbow is dry and I want to show you the process how I cover it with epoxy resin. I spread the resin by my hands, as you see, because it's more comfortable for me and I really can feel all the parts that I already covered and all the parts there are not yet. Make sure that cover all the edges of painting. And of course, the very important part of covering with epoxy resin, to touch all the bubbles. There are lots of bubbles when you mix the resin, while you mix it, and you need to touch them to get a smooth, glossy look. This part of process is done, and let me show the results. I'm totally in love with this painting. Every part can be reused for the color palette for another painting. Amazing! And what do you think? What part of gradient is your favorite part? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.